Today, let's work on Flying Pigeon Pose. We're gonna warm up your core, your abdominal area, and we're gonna work on some hips opening here. And let's start with high plank. Good, now from here, keep your hands shoulder width distance and press your forearms towards each other and bring your upper arms away from each other. Keep your legs engaged. And now let's take a moment, pull your navel up towards the back body. Now from here, keep your body in one piece and shift your body weight forward, your shoulders over your wrist, and shift your body weight back and forward. Just a couple more of this and back. Good, now in here we pause. We're gonna go into chaturanga. And as your body comes down, bend your elbows about 90 degrees, your whole body coming down with your navel pulling up, all the way down, very good. And now go ahead, push back to downward facing dog. And take a moment, find your arms, forearms press, and wrap your armpit towards your chest. Let's move into pigeon pose. Step your foot forward, knee behind your wrist. And I like to start with tucking the back toes and bring the back knee up. And now from here, pull the back hip forward to level out with the front hip. That's it. And then we set it down. Top of the thigh on the floor and point your toes backward. And keep your hands where they are, like downward facing dog, hand press down as you press your left shin bone down on the floor. And although I'm not moving anywhere, but I am actively stretching and engaging here. Hold it here. Good. And the next warm-up for flying pigeon is half lotus tree pose. Take your left foot up, bring the foot on top of your thigh. And take a moment, find your tree, find your balance. Nice, and now from here, let's bring the foot slightly lower towards the knee and keep the foot flat. And now fold forward from the hips and place your hands on the floor. Nice, I like to keep the hand pressed on the bottom foot and just press on it and take another moment to find your left hip engaged. Good, foot flexed. And place both hands on the floor, and once you get the support of your hands, then you can bend your knee. And now from here, hook your foot onto the outside of your upper arm. And now from here, let's lean forward, and now your foot is hooking on, so now my shin bones start to rest on the knee. Good, from here, keep your foot hooked onto your upper arm, and now keep your elbows bent and start to lean forward. And now, as you lean forward, one foot start to lift up. And now, keep your hips up without trying to extend the back leg yet, and keep your hips up. And now from here, once the hips is up high, you can extend the top leg up. Okay, this is the tricks I use for flying pigeons. I hope that helps. See you next time.